Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about the differences between delete, drop and truncate commands in SQL. This is the most repeated questions in interviews and also very important commands to know while working with SQL. To understand more better, we need to understand which command these three queries are belongs to. The delete query belongs to DML command, which is my data manipulation language. To only manipulate the data in the table, not the complete table. The second drop belongs to DDL, where is a data definition language where you can able to edit or amend the data inside the table and also the table. Even the truncate belongs to the same command type, which is my DDL. Hope this give you an clear-cut idea what these three query will help you to do in the SQL server. Let's create a database and check lively how this three commands going to help to us, right? Let's start with today's video. I have already predefined the query to create a database and this table, which is to store items of the details of a particular table. So I'm going to see what are the details available in that particular table details. If I execute this particular line, I can see the table of details contain the roll number, name, class and the score. First, we are going to see the data manipulation, which is my delete. So delete, from where I want to delete is on the details. And if I execute this particular query, I can says that one row is affected. Let me check by that, and you can see there is no details available on this particular table, which means that details from the complete table is deleted. Fine. So I'm going to again add the values into this by executing this particular like query and execute, and I can see it is coming back, right? Okay. The second one which we are going to see is truncate table details. The syntax whichever I am writing is very important, because for the delete we have given delete from details, but for the truncate we are giving truncate table details. Executed, it says command completed successfully. Let's see what are the details available in the table. The same result we have got, there is no details available in this particular details table, right? So why we are using truncate table instead of delete? What is the difference between that? There is a catch. When we are using delete tables, even we can able to delete it more specifically for a particular line item or based on the line item or the ID values. But in the truncate table will goes with a mass action, which means it will not go row by row. It will completely erase the details, not to the specific details. So that's where the delete and truncate keys plays a major role, where delete will be used to delete only a particular row if it is needed, but truncate will delete the complete row table details without any rules, right? So this is what the difference between delete and truncate. The third one which we are going to use is drop, right? I'm executing it again to get the details back, and I'm going to use drop table details. So let me execute this particular code and see what is happening. It says there is no object called details is available, which means it completely removed the details table from our database. Ideally, the first two example whatever we have seen, the delete and truncate, at least we can able to get the schema of the table details is available, but in the drop you can't able to get the details also. But the another added advantage in the delete is we can able to recover the deleted data from the table, but when we have used the truncate table option, we cannot able to revoke or retrieve the data whichever is deleted from the table. So ideally, delete and truncate, the function will be same. It will remove the details completely from the table, but it will it leaves the schema of the table, but drop table completely removes the table from the database. One added advantages towards truncate is it will do the mass action where we cannot able to delete the specific line item, but we can go with the complete line items available in the table. But in the delete, we can be more specific to delete the details from the table, but we cannot go for the mass action, and this process will be very slow since it is a row by row action. And also we can able to recover the data from delete option, but we cannot able to recover it from the truncate command. Hope you have understood this concept clearly with delete, truncate and drop table. If you have any doubt in this video, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you all the time. And moreover, if you want to know any specific topic in SQL, please post that query also in the comment. We will be happy to create a video on that particular topic as well. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.